Good morning. I'm constructing today an N-scale mainline station booking hall kit from Metcalfe. I've come indoors because of the colder weather here in the UK, and I'm currently working on my portable N-gauge layout which has the track laid. I'm afraid I'm using the track as a prop for my lamp, but never mind. So we're all ready to set off. I've got my obligatory cup of coffee. It's coffee because it's mid-morning now. I've spent half the morning cutting out all the pieces out of the card as recommended by Metcalfe, following the instructions. So the first item on the agenda today is we've got to mount all the glazing sheets to the wall linings and strengtheners. So if you'll excuse me, I'll just make a start on that. I'll start with the door one, and we've got three pieces. We've got the door frame, the door, and the glazing piece which fits behind it. Sorry, wrong way up. Right, so first thing to do is lay that down. Apply some fine glue. I'm using Rocket card glue with the very fine applicator tip, which with it being N-gauge I shall very much need. Just applying right small dabs of glue to stick this to this. Pull it together to make sure I've got it set right, which I have now. And then a little bit more. Whoops. I still use the Rocket glue for the glazing, although they do recommend Yoo-hoo, but I've found on previous kits that I've done in OO that it still sticks it. Get that there. Try and centre it on the door so the white glazing frames show. And that is a door frame assembly setting aside for doing. Now I'll do a window one. In the kit there are two windows, A1 and B1, which the glazing has a particular way round to go. As you can see, there's a thicker side at the side of the glaze painting and a thicker side on there. So the first thing to do is put that flat, stick some little blobs of glue, I've got my finger stuck. There we go. Hopefully I can get that lined up there. It does give you a little bit of chance to move it before the glue sets, although not much. There we are. That's lined up perfectly. Unfortunately there's a bit of glue squeezed out, but that'll look like dirty windows later. Okay, so what I'll do now, right, I'll do the B1 one now, again, which has got the wide side. There we go. Get that there. Place them on there and get the cardboard lined up with the glazing bars. and a little gentle squeeze, and there. Okay, I've done those 2 windows and 1 door, so I will pause now and do the rest, so I'm not boring you. Right, well, we'll carry on and fit the internal walls to building C as instructed. That glue on there, glue on there, that slots in there, and that glues to that tab there. So that's the internal corridors done. Sit inner floor IF2 down onto the lower inner walls and fit tight against the front wall. Right, so I want an IF2. I'll just glue there, there, and fit it against the inner wall there. There. And then I fit IWC3 either side. IWC3 now on the inside. And that sits on there. There. That's quite rigid now. So we're fixing the rail side fascia now to the building, so I need to glue those tabs back afterwards, and I won't be able to get glue in there, so I'll put glue on there now, and a glue down, a bead of glue down here. Bead of glue there, bead of glue there, bead of glue there, there and there, and that should, in theory, fit into there, which it does. And fold that back onto there, and that back onto there. that's it. And so that is that part. And I want the clock, which is here, which fits on the inner side of the wall. There. And I've also got to fit some strips to this wall now. So I'll put it like that. And these, where have they gone? There they are. There's 4 short ones and 4 long ones. Three, 4. Now where do they go? They go in the corner to hide the corners, so I actually think they go on this side. But I'll leave those till after. I'm not sure where those go actually. What we need to do now are the steps. So this is one set. I've already put them all together. So what we do, we just put this one on top of that so that it's all lines up as one block. And step 5 on top. Now step 6 to 9. Right, so that should be step 6. Step 7. Step 8. And finally step 9. And now we fix that in the building. So what I'll do, I'll just stick a and that should go like that. There we go. Wipe the excess glue off the. And what we've got that as the structure. Starting with the two end roofs, fit them with the recess sections carefully fitting around the centre building. So we've got, that's block B roof, which is that one, and that's block A roof. Hang on, let me just check. No. Yes, that's right. So we'll add a touch of glue. Press and hold for a couple of minutes for the glue to set. Do the same for this one. just run an edge tissue down there just to remove a bit of glue that's eased out. Yep, that's that one. Now where's C1? That wants to go there. Yeah. Right, now this is the other roof. Just bend it to shape first. So we want the two pink ones either side there, just to and two roof trusses. Here we are, these are those, as it says roof truss on them. Just a bit of card to cut off there. Just run that holds on there. Another bit of glue here. And this one goes in there. And that should fit in there, yes, like that. Right, so that is that done. And that is the support for the clock gable. So we go. Stuck to my finger. And apparently we've got some stone capping strips which are here. Which fit on top of the wall. Now this one is and those go on there. Oops, not on there, on there. I think it's a bit long, that's why. Just trim a bit off. I think I'm going to have to get my tweezers for this. That one's a bit long as well. There. And we'll actually cut that one again before it sets. Run a bit of glue on the there. That's the station building finished. I've still got the chimneys and the canopies to do, but I'm going to leave those for the next video. You can see it fits down. Eventually it will be going here on the layout, but we'll leave it to dry now. Thank you for watching this video. I'm afraid we had a few gremlins in it due to catastrophic recording failure. So I'm afraid I can't undo the bits that I've already stuck together. So you'll have to bear with me on that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.